Welcome to the post-game press conference, and we have here from the winning team, Senator Jinggoy Estrada, and of course, our chosen player, AC Soberano. Sen, I know yung San Juan, meron tong rich tradition pagdating sa basketball And several times, nakita naman natin, nanalo sila sa iba't ibang liga. But going here dito sa PSL and making another deep run papunta sa playoffs, what can you say about the chances?
Well, all I can say is we have a strong chance right now as compared to last year because all of our players right now are all healthy and nagkakaroon na sila ng chemistry.
Okay. AC, ano ka pa lang 1 year remove, halos ka pa lang from the PBA. No? And now you're playing here, a different platform, itong PSL. And then may chance ka rito ng opportunity ka na manalo ng championship possibly for San Juan. What can you say?
First of all, nagpapasalamat ako kay Sen. Binigyan niya ako ng chance na makapaglaro sa team niya. And swerte pa kasi winning team, lagi nasa playoffs. Yun. Siguro gagawin ko lang yung best ko para tumagal pa kay Sen, makuha pa yung trust niya. And ayun, lahat naman kami si Sen may tiwala lahat sa amin So yun, ginagawa lang namin yung trabaho namin para manalo para sa kanya and sa mga taga San Juan.
Sen, sabi nyo nga last time around, parang much better itong team nyo in terms of balance. You have young players coming in. So gusto mo yung balance ng team nyo?
Yes, we have young players, newly recruited players, and we have veteran players. Kaya nagkakaroon na kami ng nagde-gel na yung buong team. And as I've told you earlier, lahat sila healthy as compared to last year. We were undermanned because of injuries. At wala I think wala yata. Nandun si Dexter, no?
Dexter might
sa MPBL, so wala. Yeah.
Okay. Right. Okay, AC, ikaw naman bilang tinitignan ka ng mas mga batang player. And so far, how do you see yourself fitting in para ikaw pa yata yung team captain dito sa team, di ba? Tama ba? Hindi ikaw. Pero ikaw yung isa sa mga high-profile players na nanggaling ka na sa mas matataas na level, and then you have young players coming in. How do you see yourself fitting in?
Kinakausap ko naman po yung mga young players. Sinasabi ko yung mga experience ko sa pro dati. And yun, nakikinig naman sila. And kaya siguro mas close kami ngayon. Mas nagje-gel yung team ngayon. Kasi yun nga, as one kami. Yun yung goal lang namin is to win a championship para sa San Juan.
Right. Sen, may either Bulacan or yung isa nilang kalaban ang magiging St. Benilde possibly na makakalaban. No? So, wala ka naman siguro pipiliin dyan, Sen, no?
Wala naman. Basta kahit sino, basta maglaro lang sila ng mahusay itong aking team at mag-focus lang sila sa laro. At in fact, tinalo na namin silang yung Bulacan, yung kung sino man yung makakalaban namin, we were confident that na makakapasok kami sa finals.
Okay. AC, ito next level na to, itong susunod na pace. No? So, mas mataas dapat yung level of performance. So, paano mo i-guide yung mga younger players dito?
Ayun nga, playoffs na, so bawal maging complacent. Every practice, dapat give your 100%. And yun, tiwala lang sa system. And yun, tiwala lang sa team.
And that concludes our post-game interview. Senator, marami pong salamat. And AC Soberano, thank you. Thank you for joining us. Thank you, Sen.